What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some stuffed poblano peppers, and you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, a poblano pepper, is that anything like Sacramento? Well, no. We're not down there guarding Vlade Divac, are we? No. So, we've got the poblano pepper today, and that's the thing about it. My old lady, my woman, my girl, my lover, she was telling me about these chili rellenos that she had. And she's like, oh, they're oh so good, and they're delicious. But I tried to go this place, and they didn't have them. And I went to this place, and they had them, but they were different. And it was kind of like she was chasing Carmen Sandiego, you know. She just couldn't get it right. And to me, when I looked up the recipes and heard what she was talking about, it sounded to me like an old stuffed pepper man. And I thought I could make it here at the old his house, if you will. So I did just that. Now, first thing you're going to do, if you're going to stuff a pepper, got to get the pepper, and the pepper is that poblano. And that's the thing. I looked up the chili rellenos. I said, it looks like chili rellenos, it looks like this poblano pepper is the thing to do, and that's what I did there, sir. So, they tell you to roast it and do some other things, and, you know, there's kind of a whole recipe deal to it. Like I said, a chili rellenos is like a fried deal, and then you put some stuff on the side deal, but you know me, buddy. I ain't got time for that shit, but I do have time for the natty daddy because I've been outside mowing all day. They wanted some food cooked. They said, I'm hungry, I'm so hungry, I could starve to death. And I'm talking about me. What about me? I'm down here trying to work and I'm hungry too. So let's get something to do. Now, look at the poblano. First of all, let me have a drink for hermano, my brother, right here. Yeah. Oh, so good. Now, we got the poblano pepper. We're going to split it down the middle, and we're going to fill it up with some cheese, because that's the thing. All she really wants is some stuffed pepper with some cheese, and that's what we're going to do today, buddy boy. Now, hope it's not too spicy dicey, because we'll be in there like Harry from Dumb and Dumber on the stool, man. So, we're going to go ahead and split these down the middle, and I want you to get some mozzarella string cheese, and we're going to put it right in the middle of that thing, sir, but not before we scrape all the seeds out. That's where you get, you don't want the fire down below like Steven Seagal. So take the membrane out, take the seeds out, go ahead and put your string cheese right in the middle. Now I'm going to go ahead and set mine right in the oven. I'm going to turn it big on high, sir. So put it on 400, fill it up with the string cheese, and in about 10-15 minutes or so, I guess it'd be long enough to watch the Wild World of Sports. Well, not the Wild World of Sports. What is that? They used to have like the Shell golf competition. Maybe you can watch some old John Daly footage. You can watch one of those, come back, and maybe not even one of those. You probably get to the 5th hole. That cheese is going to be melty delty. It's going to be good. Good. Then, you can go ahead and sprinkle some shredded cheese right on the top. You don't have to, but I did just to give it a little extra texture. Now, once you get those poblano peppers looking right, we're ready for a sight and a big old bite of that stuffed cheesy pepper tonight, buddy. Whew, and I'm a little worried about it. I think it's going to be spicy nicely, but it's going to be goody goody. So, let's gooey gooey. Shall we, shall we? Yes, we will, mister. Yeah. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The stuffed poblano pepper is done. I'm having the first bite. For me, a tiny bite, if you will, because my brother was telling me about this, man, and he's right. It could either be hot or it could either be not. So, got to see what I'm doing, and I got this tiny little bite on me, tiny little fork. Isn't that a cute fork? Look at it. Like a pickle fork or something. It's precious. Hold on now, buddy. Whoa! Not hot. Not quite hot. Just good. That's good. Oh, good. That's string cheese. That really was the way to go. It kind of like things the thing up, man. Gives it some body. Some good body. And then that shredded cheese on the top. Extra textured good stuff. But I gotta tell you something. Now that I'm standing here and talking. Woo! And heat coming in the back door. Woo! Mmm. Oh, but it's a good heat that I would write home about and write home for. So, I want to thank y'all for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Oil. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, make sure to like, subscribe, do your thing, enjoy your peppers, buddy, and watch them seeds because I think I just caught one. And I got to tell you, it's like the heat meister up here, so got to go. Oh, spicy cheese, a little drinky, gonna get me stinky. Whoa! Ooh! Yeah. That's good. And that's good. That's something to it. Whoa, buddy.